Well, I haven't made this for long, but now I'm starting today to make another mushroom and barley soup. Chidoki's mushroom and barley soup. And I've already added the chicken because it says chicken broth, but you know me, I put the chicken in there. So the chicken is about to boil and I put the potatoes in there. And now I'm going to prepare these red carrots. And then later I will put the broccoli and tomato, and I've already put some white peas in there. So here we go, getting ready to make Chijioke's mushroom and barley soup. I've added a little bit of beef so that you can get a little bit of flavor of chicken and the beef. I didn't add it. Actually, the mushroom and barley doesn't really ask for beef, but I still like a little bit alternative to see how it will fry out with the beef and the chicken together, Gives it a nice, tasty flavor. There are the two kinds of mushrooms I had. Brown mushroom. No, I prefer to do this way because it gives an alternative flavor also for the mushrooms. And you cut them up in halves and put them in at the last minute, and then for 10-15 minutes till they're a little cooked. Yeah, so these are going in, and I also have some tomatoes and broccoli to add to. Yes, here are the tomatoes. I'll cut them up soon. Yeah, I'm gonna add some sweet peppers to it also. That's give it a little sweet taste. So this here will give it sweetness, while the tomatoes will give a kind of a acidic taste. So sweet and sour, but still tasty. Yes, I just add only a quarter cup of this pearl barley. This is the magic of this Chijioke's mushroom and barley, I think. Here's how much my red carrots yielded. Now get ready to put them in the pot. Okay, I have just added carrots and tomatoes and peppers. So let's see what happens next, and then later I will add the broccoli and the mushrooms, and after another half an hour, ready to go. And now I have added the mushrooms. See, the white mushrooms and the brown mushrooms. So now I'm preparing the final one, which is the broccoli. The reason I put the broccoli late because some people, when it turns brown, they figure it's not good, but they don't know the essential ingredients of broccoli. Once it's in the soup, all the ingredients are in the water and the broccoli. So that's fun. Have fun. Here we go. Get in there. Get in there. 15 more minutes to go. And now to add the final stage, the broccoli. Oh boy, I'm going to wait for another 7 minutes, and then I'm going to add it. And in about 10-15 minutes after, it's ready to be done, to be tasted. Oh, look at that. I've just added the broccoli. The final stage, and 15 more minutes, it'll be ready. Oh, I will taste it after, but I think it's good. I didn't change any part of the recipe, just added what I added, just real chicken. That's all I did. So they asked for chicken broth, but I think the more better, the closer it is to being the real thing than anything else. Instead of doing the chicken broth, put the chicken and see what happens. I think it tastes much better with the chicken. And people like to taste the chicken instead of a chicken broth. You be the judge. Oh boy, here we go soon. Look at that, simmering. Let's see what's going on now. It's almost 6:16, but I just still had to turn off the heat. Let's see. Look at that. I just need the barley to cook a little bit more. That's all I'm waiting for. Otherwise, we're ready to go. Well, you know I'm not going to give it all away. This is my share right now. And these are the 4 here. I am just going to seal them and just let them cool down. And even although I have 5 of them, look at that, 5, I still have more to go. Look at that. I got another 10 more here. What the heck? That's when you make so much. But you know, I only use 4 cups of water, and look what it did to this big pot. Look, huge pot. Look at that. Yeah, I have soup for a while. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna share it with my mom, my cousins, and everybody, so they'll have a feast. And some of my friends who are aching to get it, they've been asking about it, but I told them it's Chijioke's mushroom and barley soup. Look at this one for Chijioke.